In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a strip screw from a piece of wood using vice grips. So we've tried all the previous other methods. We've tried using a cordless drill, we've tried using a hand screwdriver. We've tried putting a new bit in the end of our screwdriver, lining it up with the screw and applying our pressure, and every time we turn it, the screw head keeps spinning. So that's not a problem, but we do have to resort to some more desperate measures, and this is where the vice grips come in, or they're also sometimes called mole grips. Now these will easily get your screw out. So these come with an adjustment knob here, and you can actually adjust the clamping force on the end of these jaws. They're a lot better than a traditional pair of pliers. These will always end up slipping on the screw. I've tried to use these a million times before in the past, and every time I've failed. Whereas with these vice grips, every time I've attempted to remove a screw, it's gone flawlessly. So take your pair of vice grips, we've got our strip screw. Now the only way to do this is to accept that you're going to have a little bit of damage, but quite often it's quicker to create a little damage around the screw, remove the screw and fill the damage in after. So once you've committed, you just want to clear a little bit of the wood away from the screw. This might seem drastic, but there really is no other way of getting your screw head out. I've been a joiner for about 15 years. This has worked every time, and it's far easier to just do a bit of damage, remove your screw and then fill your hole afterwards. If it's being painted, you can just use some normal wood filler, or if it is going to be on show, then you'll obviously need to maybe drill a hole and put a wooden plug in there instead. So you want to clear. If you are wanting to keep the natural wood, then you can always use a wooden plug after you've removed the screw. So we just clear a little bit of debris around the edge. As you can see, all we've done is create just enough space around the screw so that we can get our vice grips on. So we take our vice grips, you can use the adjustment knob to set these just a little bit narrower than the screw head. Sometimes it Once you've got them clamped on, you'll feel them clamp onto the screw. These are brilliant. You can see they're clamped on there. The jaws of the vice grips around the head of the screw. And then simply twist it counterclockwise. Twist it counterclockwise until the screw comes out. Really easy to do, and you can see you don't need to get much of the screw head. These grips are really good. And as long as you've got the jaws around the head of the screw, you can spin it out effortlessly. And then all you need to do is fill your hole or drill and plug your hole to make it look neat afterwards. But I've never failed to remove a screw from a piece of wood using some vice grips. So I hope that video has helped. And if you've gone and got yourself a pair of vice grips and removed a screw, let us know in the comments, because we always like hearing from people that we've managed to help. Thanks for watching.